Today I'll be sharing with you how to preserve your leftover bread. Yes, we are making some homemade breadcrumbs. It's very simple, so please stay with me. So let me start telling you one thing about my family, okay? Whenever we buy bread, right? First of all, me, I like fresh bread. So if it's a day old, I don't want to eat it again unless maybe I decide to toast it. When it comes to the boys, they will take it. But last, there will be some pieces left. My husband also is somebody who would take bread for like 3 days in a row and then stop all of a sudden for about 3 more days. And then you'll be wondering why. So I always have bits of bread in my kitchen. So what do I do when I have these pieces? I store all of them in the fridge and then wait for an opportunity when there are a lot, and then I make some breadcrumbs with it. So for this video, I'll be using my oven, but you can also use your frying pan on your stove top to make this recipe, okay? These breadcrumbs. So as you can see, I've cut my bread into smaller pieces because I want them to dry very early or quickly. And then I'll spread the bread pieces on my baking tray. What I'm going to be adding next is some basil leaves or akokomesa, which is totally optional. Of course, feel free to use any herbs of your choice, okay? But you can omit it totally if you don't like it. So this will go into the oven till it's dry, and then I'll go ahead and mill it with my dry blender. And here we have the powdered form. You can store this in an airtight container for as long as you want, and then you are good to go. You can use it in any recipe that requires breadcrumbs, like chicken nuggets, to coat your protein, and a whole lot, okay? I hope after watching this video, you will not throw your leftover bread away. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, a massive thank you to all my returning subscribers. And until I see you again, keep blooming.